In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Slides to video. This simple yet effective process will allow you to create dynamic video presentations with ease. Whether you're planning to share your work for educational purposes, a business presentation, or something in between, this step-by-step guide will have you turning your slides into a video in no time. First, we need to set up your Google Slides with the right tool. Start by opening your Google Slide presentation and navigating to the menu bar at the top. From there, click on Extensions, then you'll see the option labeled Add-ons. Hover over that and select Get Add-ons. This will open a window displaying a variety of available add-ons for your Google Slides. In the search bar, type in Creator Studio, which is the add-on we'll be using to convert your slides into a video format. Once you find it, click the Install button and follow the prompts to add it to your Google Slides. Make sure you grant any necessary permissions when asked, as this will enable the add-on to function properly. Now that we've got Creator Studio installed, let's go ahead and use it. Return to the Extensions menu on the top bar, and you'll now see Creator Studio available as an option. Hover over it, and then select Create Video from the drop-down menu. This triggers the Creator Studio interface on the right side of your screen, where we'll do the majority of our work. Here we come to the customization phase, where you'll set the parameters for your video. Pay close attention to the output width, which determines the resolution of your final video. You can choose settings that match your intended platform, for instance, higher resolution for sharing on large displays or lower settings for a quicker upload to the web. Next, decide on the interval between slides, which dictates how long each slide will be visible in the video. Make sure this timing aligns with any voiceover or timing aspect of your presentation. If you're unsatisfied with the defaults, don't hesitate to adjust them until you have a flow that feels just right. Once your settings are customized to your liking, we're ready to render your video. Click the Go button at the bottom of the Creator Studio interface. The conversion process will now begin. Depending on the length and complexity of your presentation, this might take a few moments, so sit back and let the software work its magic. As it transforms your slides into a fully fledged video, be patient and ensure your computer remains connected to the internet and your browser open throughout the process. And there you have it. With your video rendered, you can now download it, share it online, use it during presentations, or even edit it further using video editing tools. This newfound skill will surely add a dynamic edge to your presentations, making them more engaging and accessible. Thanks for joining me on this video tutorial today, and happy creating!